Hi friends, welcome to Sri Sai IT Hub. In this video of Core Python Programming, we are going to discuss the following topics: Python, collections, literals. So first of all, what are these literals in Python? So literals are data or values which are given to a variable in a Python program. Technically, they are constants. For example, 10 is an integer constant, 5.6 is a float constant, high, it is a string constant, and true, it is a boolean constant. Now coming to the collections literals. So we have four types of collection literals. First one, list. Second one, tuple. Third one, dictionary. Fourth one, set. So coming to the list collection, so list is a collection of elements which are represented in square brackets. It can be same type or different type. It is mutable. Mutable means original list can be modified. Similarly, tuple is the read-only version of list. Collection of elements of same type or different type represented in circle brackets but cannot be modified once initialized. So now coming to set. So set is a unordered collection of elements. Order is not preserved and it is represented in curly braces 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And in set, original data can be modified. It is mutable. Coming to dictionary. So dictionary is a collection of elements in the form of key value pairs. Key, roll number 1001. Key, name, value, psi. Key, height, value 6.2. So key value is separated by colon. So all these values which are used in the collection comes under collections literal. So let us try to demonstrate this with a small program using the same example. So first take comments at the beginning of the program. So list 1, 1001, psi 6.2, print list 1. Tuple 1, 11, 22, high, true 5.6g. Print tuple 1. Set 1, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 in curly brackets. Print set 1. Dictionary, key value pairs, roll number, name, height. 1001, psi 6.2, print dictionary 1. So save this program in your working directory. So come to the prompt where you have saved the program and run it. py python. Okay. Yeah. So this is collections literal. Right. So coming to py python collections literals example1.py. So list collection literal, tuple collection literal, set collection literal, and dictionary key value pairs as collection literal. So this is how we are supposed to work with collections literals or constants in a Python program. List, tuple, set, and then dictionary. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment, and share this video. And also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.